Allow me to join the other speakers who have spoken before me in welcoming you, the Honorable the Chief Justice, and the Honorable the Principal Judge upon coming to launch Kitgum High Court Circuit.
Ye bene amed dwane ko dwan mo ken ni jola in la dit la ko malayo ko mi Uganda wen ki malayo High Court mi bieno kain ka tiar ka walen court me Kitgum High Court me Kitgum.
And just like the Resident District Commissioner of Kitgum said, it is not long ago that we were again here together with you, and you did promise the people of Kitgum that this place would be having a High Court circuit. And we want to thank you very much for having fulfilled that promise.
Ni embe mere dwane ko pa la dit ti mo wa ni karma mai choke ni be kain ka chiel ke wa ke en ma la loke mai chi ke ne High Court mi Kitgum dong ki mi yabo chi I jobo chi ke ni tinni.
The Chief Registrar mentioned something today here, that she feels like the situation is like a woman who is in labor, and if she spoke for too long, the labor would be prolonged. May I say that when I was seated, I felt like I was that woman who was in labor.
Me, when you learn it, my Chief Registrar and I did Chief Registrar Wajo. Kamaleng. Ne, Tinni, Pericalo, Megomati, Nyodo, Rem, Nyodo. See, any bit we tell any Megomati, Rem.
I am obviously not a woman.
And be down, man.
And I have not had the benefit of going through that labor pain that our mothers go through. But I can tell you that the opening of Kitgum High Court Circuit gives us great relief. On behalf of Gulu High Court Circuit, we really want to thank the Chief Justice for this.
High Court me Kitgum ko nyo ko gi magulu chida ngamer fo na dit malaya no ngal ko mi Uganda wen madiro window.
For all these years, the people of Kitgum have been trekking long distances in search for justice in Gulu High Court.
Maybe Mahama Pole when Dan me Kitgum be ka ward by the chamber ward me here Gulu mi no malmati,
and we've been together with you. We feel your pain. Not long ago when we had a function in Gulu, I did mention to you, my Lord Chief Justice, that we had a criminal session where the witnesses were moving all the way from Lamour, and some of the witnesses had to spend 2 to 3 days in Gulu because of the long distances that they had to cover.
Ni karma machoke magibero ke yug mo Gulu enter bon la dit la ko malo na ko wen Uganda ni tie ko lo computer parlamente mo be ban mo kit chaden awa ke la mo mero wot ni na tek mi o kamio chaden ilok ke oni.
Now this is going to be no more.
And obe giko
the chairperson of Lamour also talked about that experience that he had to have to move from here at that terrific speed. We want you alive, Chairman.
Ne won come Lamour lo kan kita that kere here me chero Gulu ni chi o meri ben mapo ko be no anado.
So the coming of this new baby really gives us very big relief.
Bino nyonyalo la ten manyen tin in
terms of statistics, before Kitgum was created as a circuit, Gulu was covering the districts of East Acholi and West Acholi. And the High Court in particular had over 3,000 cases which were being handled by, at the time before he came in, by 2 judges and 1 registrar.
And High Court Magulu no tiki case me winya ali batia kimia chie. Malo winya no le molkobario ke registrar chie.
But now, as you've already heard from the President Judge Kitgum, 700 or 800 cases have now come here.
Kade winyu kere kobere la molkoma kini wani case me abor ke we do bien okitgo.
So as a newborn baby, you already have this big load on top of your head.
Chala tin matide ni tiki madit do one time we.
Gulu, we have remained with about 2,000. And if you did your mathematics, if we are 3 judicial officers, so averagely each judicial officer now has about 700 cases, which we believe is now a bit manageable.
Again, kai na ko yake dong kali wari yake wiye, kom gena teke mai tu dong ko yana. Kino ke pom ya bera mano dong ko be tine ye.
So we really congratulate Kitgum for becoming a circuit.
You are young pe nyale pa Kitgum, High Court pa Kitgum.
And as your parent, because largely Kitgum High Court Circuit is really coming from Gulu, we are very pleased and we want you really to grow and become in future, you know, like any other parent would want their children to be.
Ni chalo nyodo, pian Kitgum nyale ki kong Gulu. Omiro ni dong, mat chalo bet kil chalo war mo kaya ma dong anyem kiti mabe, pian ka tamati kumema chala nyodo mai kan mer na tino dong.
Of course, I know children, when they are still born, when they have just been born, they would want as much as possible to be very close to their mother. In fact, there are even those who refuse to leave breast milk. I'm told there are those tendencies where you have, lawyers operating from Gulu feel a bit uncomfortable now coming to Kitgum. And some of you, the litigants, still want to register your cases in Gulu for one reason or the other. I can tell you we are going to resist that, even if it means putting pili-pili in that breast milk.
And if queer on matang, come meet a nickel color, dog jack, color, dog jack. Oh, we have Latin, dog jack.
So I really don't have much to say. I'm really pleased. And once again, I congratulate Kitgum. And on that behalf, permit me now to invite the Honorable, the Principal Judge, to address you. Thank you.